Alright, what is up you guys? Welcome to today's video. Here with Avery, and we're in Houston. Texas2K is this week. You guys are definitely going to be seeing this after the fact, but came down to Houston for Texas2K because of weather conditions and stuff like that. We decided to actually skip the track today and kind of just take today to explore Houston. Probably get some cool photos of both of our bikes, and yeah, just explore the city, hoon around a little bit, but we got to be careful because anyone that's ever been to Texas2K, they know cops are very active and they got power out here. Corvettes, Hellcats, all that. So we're going to be taking it chill for the most part. There's definitely going to be fun moments in there because it's us. But for the most part, we're going to be taking it pretty chill. And heading towards downtown, trying to find some really dope like picture locations and stuff like that. Yeah, see what the fuck we get into. 636 is here. We do get a little bit of drizzle right now, but I'm running the Road 5, so I'm not really worried about it. More than anything, I'm just worried about camera gear getting wet. So hopefully we stay out of it. Fucking mint. So hopefully the GoPro doesn't get too foggy with the mist. We should be getting out of it. It's very spotty where the rain's going to be at. So the only thing I'm worried about is I got the gimbal in the back, and that's what is not very waterproof. My camera is very water resistant. The GoPro is obviously water resistant. It's the gimbal I'm worried about. Oh, and I don't have music. I'm about to start a GoFundMe for a new phone case. Look at this. Just look at it. Look at it. I'm going to start a GoFundMe for a new phone case. Let me get that quad lock. All right, ready when you are. All right. Yeah, like I said, we should be getting out of the rain pretty quick. This is the first time I'm actually riding with Avery. Well, we went on a ride earlier just to go to Walmart to get some stuff. But it's the first time I'm riding with Avery in a hot minute. He ended up hurting his wrist a little bit, which got him off of the bike for a while. But he's back. He's back. Not 100%, but enough where he's comfortable riding. So, you know, I'm happy about that. Also, hopefully this all works out. I'm doing a whole new setup. I'm still running the GoPro Hero 7, but now I'm running an ND filter so I can run a 1/48 shutter speed for that more cinematic look. And I upgraded to the Rode 1 microphone by suggestion of Avery because his audio sounded very clean compared to my Purple Panda's audio. So we'll see how this Rode 1 compares to the Purple Panda. I also like that it's TRS straight off the mic, so I don't have to run that stupid adapter. Oh. Ooh. Look at my boy with the Tai Chi gloves. Putting them on. Tai Chi's the move, boys, I swear. Y'all know how much I love Tai Chi. I got my Tai Chi race jacket, and now I got my GPX gauntlets, which I absolutely adore. They feel amazing. Let's see. Can we stun out on Houston one time? This road's a little shitty. That's with traction control on. I was gonna turn it off, but with the rain, I'm just not gonna chance it. Traction control 1, I can still wheelie pretty good, just not as good as with it off. Because it cuts the power off, obviously. Avery, get in front of me. I don't know where I'm going. Thank you. Hell yeah, boy. Let's show them how we enter a highway. There we go, Avery. Avery's wheelie progression has gone good. Give me room, Abe. Give me room. Fuck him. Nope, not enough room. This bridge is sketchy. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling that wetness. It was supposed to be 30%, so we might be going into the thick of it and then heading out of it. We've been kind of keeping an eye on the radar. The crosswind got me there. I'm also running a higher tire pressure than normal for flickability, which makes it easier to come up but harder to stay stable. type of riding that we're going to be doing out here, the higher tire pressure honestly suits me better. I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of stunning, you know, just constant wheelies. It's going to be a lot more highway cruises and stuff like that, so I like the flickability more than I like the stability on a wheelie. Whereas like right now, like the bike just feels very flickable with the higher tire pressure. Scoliosis! Yeah, so we are going to be heading to the track for TX2K and bring you guys content from the track, but just today, the weather, we had a late start because neither one of us really slept much the night before we came out here, and we were up super late last night, which is the night we got here. So we slept in and just decided to have a nice day of exploring because we don't come down to Houston very often, so we want to go ahead and check out the scenery. We're going over to the scenic location, trying to get some content right now. Hopefully I got that in the rear view mirror. I tried shifting up into fourth, but I lost all power. Avery's wheelies have gotten a lot better in like the last, I'd say 2 months. He's seen a whole lot of progress. He did just get some work done to the bike, got it tuned, adjusted the gearing a little bit for more torque. So he says that his wheelies are feeling pretty buttery right now, which always love to see that. Like I said, we're not thunners, we're just street swids. Way more than Avery, just because I wear significantly less gear than him. Don't be more like Avery, don't be like me. I refuse to be hot, because I just don't like being hot. Donde vamos, güey? My boy. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah! Hell yeah! Let me join the boy one time. For having traction control on, that's not bad. I'm happy with that. We're gonna be out here being real unethical, because I fail at being unethical. God, traction control. No! Bad traction control. Again, we're out here being rather unethical, Avery. We're being rather unethical. And I don't have enough room to be unethical with you. She was looking mad hard. Oh, this tire pressure just feels so good at that. It's unstable as hell on wheelies, but it works.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Gotta do it for the people. Of course a kid asked me to wheelie when I don't have enough room to do a proper one. God, third gear traction control super hard on me. I'm gonna head. There we go. There we go. Yo, it is like 2 o'clock. Where is everybody going at 2 o'clock? Like, it ain't lunchtime. It ain't time to clock out, because it is Thursday. I just want to go fast. Cha 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 cha. Real smooth now. Hi, dog. Hi, dog. Hi. Oh yeah, this is gonna be sharp. Sharp, and we're wet, boys. We're wet.
What did he say?
Me and Avery are wet. Oh, it's wet.
That's pretty steady rain.
Yeah, honestly, we can work with it. It's not downpouring. The only thing I'm worried about is the gimbal. Let's go in there so I can drop my bag somewhere covered. Let's do some brainstorming. I want to take advantage of some of the rain. Ooh. Oh, this might work. This might work right here. Hold on. Bruh, talk about a spot. Yo, no, talk about a spot. Yeah. We're bringing the bikes in here. That's the spot. That is the spot. 100%. Give me attitude. Give me some You're not even that wet. You got this. I'm wet.
Yeah, this is rain repellent. Water repellent.
Mine's heat repellent, not rain repellent. Alright, boys. I'm gonna set up the gimbal for some shots here. Like I said, this trip's mainly just a content trip for me and Avery. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all that. Well, I'm not really big on TikTok. That's his thing. So, here's the spot. I didn't bring the 360 camera to show y'all how I'm doing it, but yeah, I'll let you guys know when we're done. Alright, boys. Finished up with this spot. Actually, how much battery do I have? Alright, I'm gonna have to swap my battery when we're gonna go get some food. Like I said, I didn't really record much because we were just shooting, and I don't have my chest plate to do point of view photography right now, so I'm gonna have to catch up on that later. Yeah, we're gonna go get some food, and then I don't know, might do like just a raw riding through downtown video. We'll see what happens.